Hello and welcome to Guide Themes. In this video, I will teach you how you can install your Adalo app. Adalo app is basically a no-code app builder that lets users create custom mobile and web apps without creating codes. And now they have also launched the app. So here in the App Store and Play Store, you can't find the Adalo app. So from where you can install this app? For that, you have to go and you have to open your Google app browser, and there you have to research for Adalo app. Here I'm researching Adalo APK download. Now here you can see many links, so you have to scroll to the bottom, and here you can see this link in the bottom, Adalo APK for Android. You can click on that and you can download. So I will just go and I will open this website, and here you can see all about Adalo. You just have to scroll down, and in the bottom you can see this option download APK. For downloading, just you have to go and you have to click on that. Here you can also see total number download and all the detail about this app. Now just simply go and click on download APK 22.1 MB and simply download. Here they are downloading. You can see that here you have to select one and you can click on download. You can see that they are downloading our file on the top. Now just you have to wait for some time, and now click on open. Here you can go to downloads, and in the download you can see this app. Here you can see this Adalo app in your downloads. So simply you have to go and you have to open. Now click on install. Here you can see that they are installing, so just you have to wait for some time here. Once the installing is done, you can go back, and here you can see this Adalo app appear on your screen. You can clearly see this Adalo app on your screen, and that's basically how you can download this Adalo app. And if you talk about the key feature, here you have drag and drop interface, custom dashboard and relationship, rebuild components, post notification and app publishing. This Adalo app is best for enterprise and startups, non-technical creators and small businesses. If you are any of these, you must give Adalo a try. That was basically all about downloading and using this Adalo app. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.